So you guys probably know the debate between the Exynos chipset, the Snapdragon chipset, and there are plenty of videos out there and articles you can see and watch and read. And well, I have good news for you. The Tab S7 LITE will come with a Snapdragon chipset included. Isn't that great? So you're asking, why is this important? Well, it is a valid question. I support your question. You should really receive a, can we have a gift basket for, so we don't have any? Well, we don't have any. I'm really sorry about that, but I like the way you think. And the importance here really is all about the Geekbench score results and everything beside that. I will put the puzzle pieces together for you right now. Let me explain. You see, when people spot 3 different versions of the upcoming Tab S7 LITE, one Wi-Fi, one LTE, one 5G version, it is more than likely that the 5G version will come with a Snapdragon processor. 5G most likely equals Snapdragon. Snapdragon equals faster. Faster. But it will be faster. So 5G means not just 5G, it means Snapdragon and faster processor. But by how much, you ask? And you know what? It is another valid question. I support that question. Good on you. To put it into perspective, the Tab S6 LITE has roughly half of the single core score. Maybe I should put it around, like the glass is half full. Well, the Tab S7 LITE will have double the Tab S6 LITE single core score, and that is a massive improvement here. So far, so good. Are you guys familiar with the concept of carrot and stick? Well, you just had your carrot here. The stick is going to come now. I am afraid there is no DeX. Yeah, there is no DeX. Type-C fast charging? Not so much. I doubt that will not be included. Keyboard connector? Nope, not happening. Fingerprint sensor? Not so much. And then refresh rate will probably stay at 60 Hz. It won't go up to 90 Hz because something simply is going to give. In order to disguise all of this, we can expect new colors, right? We looking from the outside, we have black, we have silver, we have green, even a light green is there, and it's kind of saying check me out, but then don't check me out. As we still have 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, or 128 GB of storage. And the interesting part here is to see, well, I guess it's okay, it's all in the cloud anyway, but the interesting part is to see what kind of storage is being used here, because we have seen ancient technology for storage being used before in many devices, and I'm not the biggest fan of that. It should be a crime. It should be made as such a crime, right? So we do know the 12.4-inch TFT display version has been confirmed in this marketing material, right? I do believe, however, there will be a smaller version, an 11-inch non-5G version coming out, possibly Exynos, possibly an Exynos processor. And this is when the price range really starts to matter. And there's no way the bigger version, the 5G 12.4-inch version, will be cheap. It's not happening. The price range itself will be from the entry model of $350 all the way up to $600 for the big top version of the Tab S7 LITE. And yes, that is reality. And in the box itself here, there will be an S Pen. This is crystal clear. It is simply Samsung's signature move. So there will be an S Pen. As for the charging brick, well, I don't know, who knows? Maybe Samsung probably knows as of today. Android 11, One UI 3.1, it is a given that's simply included when you get your Tab S7 LITE, including all the new S Pen features we discussed in our previous videos. And look, personally, I just don't buy the June release date. I think it's way too close to the Tab S8 release, which is usually happening in August with a presentation and then released in September or end of August. So I don't buy the June release date. There may be a version coming out in June, and it's maybe the 5G version. I stand by what I said earlier, or in my earlier videos. It will be May, early May, possibly early May. It also makes sense. Spring is coming. You got new colors coming out. We finally can put the devices head to head the way we like it, the way we roll. So guys, let me know in the comments below. Are you looking forward to the Tab S7 LITE? As always, thank you for watching and peace out.